Where is my seahawk? Seek for the seahawk. Become hot. Behold my seahawk. I'll crash.
Senses are very strong. Senses are very strong.
Hare Baba. So strong. Huh? Become slave. You have become slave to your senses. Huh? It's all conduct. Thick. That's right. You're all barred 3 times barred are thick. You're all conduct. Huh? Yes. What is that? Why are you taking that? Sokrasadi Sudaitya. No. Conduct.
Mahaprabhu says something. He says, Durvara Indriya Kare Vishaya Graham.
Yes.
Daravi Prakriti Hare Munir
Munir
Apimana.
Apimana. Ha. Naravi Prakriti Hare Munir Apimana.
Even though he's maybe a wise person.
Muni. Yes. Dhruvar Indriya. Those are become slaves to their senses. Maybe Muni, you see. Hare Rapi Munir Mana. Yes. His mind is distracted. What to speak of others? Oh, so strong. Oh, so strong. You should understand this.
So for fools like us, what is the
Then
hope?
how can you become Brahman? Samadama tapasautsau. Kante arjavum yevacha. Jnana vijnana astimam brahma karma svabham. As Brahman. They are giving training as Brahmanas, but you are becoming less than Sudra like how? Huh? Then it's all condemned. All condemned. Huh? All condemned. Huh?
So we have to follow the Gona Bhakti Panta.
Gauna Bhakti.
Secondary path.
Yes, Gauna Bhakti is the path. But purpose, ultimate aim is what? Haritosana. I was saying that thing. This is the ultimate. This will culminate into Mukhya Bhakti. Nirguna. This is Gunagata Dharma, then there will be Nirguna Dharma. You understand? You will develop Harikatha Ruchi, Tattva Jigyasa, Harikatha Ruchi. Then you will elevate yourself from secondary to primary. Mukhya. It's not that you will stay there. Stagnant, stagnancy. Elevate yourself. That is the purpose. Therefore, Krishna out of mercy, because he is Suhudam, only well-wishing friend, so he has created this thing. And purpose is that you have to elevate yourself, not stay there. That's not the limit or goal. Goal is above that. Under the expert guidance of a spiritual master, you adopt it, then you elevate yourself. Give up all other desires. Anyabhyasta sunyam jnana karma. No desire for enjoyment, no desire for liberation. Anukulyana Krishna answer. Serve Krishna with love and affection. Favorable means for pleasure of Krishna, Haritosana. That is Sutta Bhakti. That is the goal. Elevate yourself from secondary to primary. That is why this has been created. If you cannot do it, then why? Why stay there, why stay? Jai Shri Ram.